Good morning all. Here we are discussing the topic Node.js. And what is Node.js? Node.js is a platform built on Chrome's JavaScript runtime for easily building fast and scalable network applications. The Node.js is a platform used for reliable and fast network applications for building. And the Node.js is actually a open source server environments, and so it is open source. That means it is available in free. Node.js normally runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, etc. And Node.js uses JavaScript on the server side. And why Node.js? As the common on task of a web server is like this. When a web server can be to open a file on the server, and when the request comes to the server for opening a file, then it takes the time to open the file and returns the content to the client. This is actually the normal working. Then the use of Node.js is that it is primarily used for non-blocking, and it works on the basis of event driven service. That means when the request comes to the server takes the time to process. During that time, the thread or the structure or the event, they will be allocate for taking other resources. Once the request process and the result comes, it checks that the result is available, then take the result and give to the required process. This is actually working with Node.js. Then I'm explaining detail how why Node.js. In normal cases, in normal applications, it is like this. Here how PHP and ASP handles a file request. Consider this example. Send the task to the computer file system. Okay, when I need to open a file system, it sends a task to the computer file system. And the who is handling the request will wait while the file system opens and reads the file. For example, if a computer file system takes some time to open until it complete, that means until the file reads and open, the thread has to wait. Once it opens and reads the file, then it returns the content to the client. And after that, this request is ready to handle the next request. That means that who is handling that request will wait until the result has to obtain. After that only the handler will move to another request. Okay, this is normally how the PHP and ASP works. And here we are taking the new idea how Node.js handle a file. Consider the same example. Sends the task to the computer file system. That means the request for opening a file. Then what will happen? It sends the task to the computer file system to open the file. Open and read the file. It takes some time to handle this request. During that time, what will the who is the handling that request will allocate, or that will ready to take the next request which we need to execute or which we need to process. That means one set of execution is doing or continuing there or working there. During that time, the event handlers will ready to take another request. This is how the Node.js. When that file system, the first file system is ready or open, then what will happen? The handler will come and take that request, means take that reader result from the server. That means server returns that and given to the client. So that means a single thread can be worked for different events. Okay. And actually, consider an example like this. For a web browser, that web browser, that means any applications, it works on the web application, that means in a browser, and the application which works on the mobile application, that means the applications works on the web is working in a different platform, and the application works in the mobile is also working in a different platform. That means both are working in different platforms, but it communicate to the server, that is to the same backend system. And this is application means API, application program interface, because they need an interface for working this server side or server side request, server side in the web application and same in the mobile application. So they use an application program interface for working in different platforms. Then what is the unique about Node.js? Actually, Node.js puts the JavaScript on the server side, then making the communication between the client and the server in the same language. And actually, the Node.js uses, it is normally the servers are work based on thread, but Node.js is work based on the events, because the Node.js consider events. And some speciality of Node.js is it is easy to get started, and it is more fast and highly scalable because event driven are there. Then it is twice fast with few peoples. Then the front-end developer can reuse JavaScript skills for back-end development also. And normally this Node.js is using with PayPal, Uber, Netflix, etc. And there are a lot of open source libraries, large open source libraries are available with Node.js. And some common speciality are it is asynchronous, that Node.js is using asynchronous and event driven, and it is very fast, and there is no buffering because it doesn't wait for completing the task, completing the request, and it will, if there needs more time for execution, then it goes to another event. That means it doesn't wait for a long time to complete that request. It allocate during that wait time, it allocate to another events. Once the first request will complete, it goes and check the queue and take the content from the queue. That is the normal, because it doesn't wait until that event complete. It will allocate the thread to another events to complete. This is how